Exploring Mars. Your questions answered. 4 missions to the Red Planet will be launched next year. I've slipped into a little bit of atmosphere here. So, what do you want to know? 08085909693. And you can tweet us on at BBC5Live. We're welcome. And keep that music going. I'm loving it. Welcome Dr. Raina Ershad, who joins us to explain the different missions so far, the robotics, the instruments on the rovers, the applications on Earth of those instruments and that technology. Raina, welcome back.
Good morning, thank you very much.
Professor John Bridges, who is eminent in his field. The field is on Mars. Welcome back, John.
Morning.
And Maggie Lu, who is basically wonderful at explaining the politics behind the different missions involved in sending humans to Mars, where we might be going, how we might get there.